Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you a really simple method to enable dark mode in WPS Office. So on default you can read this document on light mode. So if you would like to change it, you need to move your cursor to the right down corner, and here you need to click on the icon with an eye. It is eye protection mode. You can enable eye protection mode to relieve your eye fatigue. You need to click on this one icon on this one arrow, and on default it is set to light mode. But here we can select dark mode, of course if you would like to enable it. So I click on it and then mode will be set to dark. Remember that you can easily control level of this darkness. You can click again on this one arrow, you can go to dark mode, and then you can change the position of this dot. If you will increase it, it will be lighter. If you will decrease it and set this value, for example, to this one, it will be darker. So in this way you can easily control brightness of this dark mode. So if I helped you to do it, remember to like this video and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it's not your problem.